Okay, my name's Dan Buchanan. I'm from Linwood, Washington, and I came down here in very bad pain. And this is the day after the surgery, and I feel 100% better. I'm walking around where I normally wouldn't be walking around, and this has just been amazing.
My name is Michael Simonessen, and I'm from Maryville, Illinois, and I've been in pain for about 20 months. It was pretty severe. It got to where I could hardly walk. The day after the surgery, I have absolutely no pain. I think I highly recommend somebody looking into this kind of a surgery if they have the same kind of pain I did.
Yeah, my name's Kevin Smilik. I'm from Palmersville, Tennessee. I've had back pain for 22 years, and after the surgery, it seemed like that knife been stuck in my back that long, it's gone.
Hi, my name is Mylene Dominique. I'm from New York City. Before I came here, I was under a lot of pain for over 3 years. And surprisingly, I had surgery yesterday. And this morning, I was able to put my pants on without any problems. So it's actually amazing.
My name is Alan David. I live in Los Angeles. 17 years ago, I had lower back problems. I went to Dr. Ditsworth and for operation, and since then I've had no problems whatsoever.
Hello, I'm Wade Williams from Fairbanks, Alaska, and I've had some serious back problems going on since August. I injured my back and excruciating pains down through my leg and lower back areas to the point where I couldn't hardly move around in the morning, get out of bed. Okay, well, the folks down here are really great. Came into town, got taken care of right away. The people were great. They had the procedure done, and they removed some material from an herniated disc, and the pain now is 100% gone.
Hi, my name is Christy Morgan. I'm from Durham, North Carolina, and I came here after having back pain and 2 back surgeries for about 5 years, and I had surgery here yesterday and feel good. No pain down my legs anymore, and feeling good.
Okay, my name is Mike Doyle. I'm from Modesto, California. I had a irritated sciatic nerve for almost 3.5 months, and I just had the procedure done, and I feel 100% better. There's no pain the next morning.
There you go.
My name is Dana Whitlock, and I live in Granada Hills, California. And from July 20th until I had this procedure 10 days ago, and today is November 4th, I truly wanted to end my life because the pain was that horrific. I couldn't do anything. I could not enjoy my life. It was to the point where I couldn't stand waking up in the morning or going to bed at night. I wanted it to end. And my husband did the research, and he found Dr. Ditsworth and said, you really need to go to this place, because prior to this I had gone to a normal orthopedic institute, and they were talking about plates and fusion and open back surgery, and what I had was a synovial cyst. So I found Dr. Ditsworth. I came down, we talked, they explained everything that was going to happen to me. They actually made time for me on a Friday evening, started the procedure at 7:30. I walked out of here. The next morning I drove. I'm talking 9 o'clock in the morning to meet somebody, and I have my life back. And I was afraid to take the bandage off because I'm a chicken, and when I took the bandage off, there were just 3 tiny little dots. I'm not even going to have scarring. It's amazing, and I have my life back, and I'm happy, and I'm walking, and it's wonderful to be alive. So anybody, everybody who has back pain should certainly approach this first, in my opinion. Scout's honor. Thank you.
I'm Judy Silvio, and I'm from Sierra Madre, California, so I was lucky not to have to come too far to see Dr. Ditsworth and his associates, but I was suffering for about 3 years from really intense back pain, radiating down into my buttock and leg and way down to my ankle, and really impaired my ability to exercise, to pretty much do very much walking at all, more than a block or so. I just had my discectomy 2 days ago, and less than 2 days, it's less than 48 hours. I feel absolutely fantastic with no pain. I've not taken any pain medication since the procedure, and I'm so pleased with the care that I've had here, both at pre-op and during the surgical procedure, and I can't recommend Dr. Ditzworth and Dr. Lombardi and all of the doctors and nurses and staff enough. And I'm so happy that I found out about this, because I was told by both the neurologist and a neurosurgeon and an orthopedist that I needed a spinal fusion and very serious open back surgery. And as an RN and a health psychologist, I knew that I had no guarantee of being able to go through that and have a positive outcome necessarily. So this, to me, has just been a godsend.
Hi, my name is Ann Bongiorno. I'm from Ventura County, California. And I had surgery approximately 7 months ago. And I am, I'd say at least 100% improved. I had pain not only in my back and discomfort in my back, but I had pain all the way down the left side of my left leg into my foot. And that pain is completely gone. I followed the doctor's regimen, and I am doing very well now. I pick up my grandchildren and do my house cleaning and do what I normally like to do, and don't have any problems. So I'm very happy with the results.
Hi, my name is Gina Bird, and I came in 2001 to see Dr. Ditzworth. I had a 30-year chronic back problem and couldn't do the gardening and walking that I wanted to do. And the day after my surgery was the first day that I stood up straight in 30 years. And it's been 7 years now, and I've not had any problem. I can do my power walking, I can work in the garden, and I'm very, very happy with the success of my surgery.
Hi, I'm Mary Grace Hoffman. I hurt my back in December of last year, 2007, and I was in pain, excruciating pain. I couldn't move, I couldn't do anything, and then I just searched online and found thebackinstitute.com, and I read and filled out the form, talked to one of the secretaries, and came over, and they did an excellent job 2 days ago. I was just amazed how they do the job. I'm not even in pain anymore. My surgery was yesterday, and I drove today, and just a brand new woman. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Bill Cord. I'm from Los Angeles, California. I've been dealing with excruciating pain in my lower back for approximately a year before I came to the Back Institute. And now I'm 6 weeks since I've had the surgery with Dr. Ditzworth, and I would say I'm 95% better. I have absolutely none of the pain in my lower back or in my buttocks and leg, and my quality of life is greatly improved. My work performance is greatly improved, and I would highly recommend the surgery to anyone who has a similar injury to what I had.
Wayne Cianci, and prior to this, I want to say probably for the last 25-30 years, and it's progressively getting worse, just the back, lower left-hand side always pinching, tightening up, the muscles tightening up prior to your surgery. Since the surgery, it's been like day and night. Prior to the surgery, I had the pinching on the lower left-hand side. After the surgery, I've not had that pinching, and it's a great feeling not to be feeling that pain.
Hi, my name is Otis Richards, and I live in Barbados, and I've had this problem for the last 5 weeks where I had this excruciating pain radiating from my lower back into my buttocks and down my back thigh right down to my ankle. And I couldn't walk, I couldn't sit down, I couldn't drive, I couldn't do my job. But I'm doing a lot better now.
Hello, my name is Lynn Garber. I'm 53 years old. I've had severe lower back pain for the past 2 years, and I finally had it re-corrected by Dr. Ditzworth, and I feel wonderful. Couldn't feel any better.